Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a project. It's a Valentine's Day project. I'm using this die. It's the treat bag die from Cece Designs, and basically you just cut it out twice and then put it together. And then I'm also using this stamp set, which I put it backwards. It's called My Silly Valentine by Lawn Fawn. So with this one, I don't have the dies for it. So I usually I don't even know if it comes with dies. I'm sure it does. But I just stamp it and then put the matching sentiment underneath it. So let me show you the cards first. So I made little 3x3 cards. And then inside it just says Happy Valentine's Day. This is for my students who help me in the library. So let me show you. So I've got the Somebody Loves You. Let's see if I can get this. Somebody Loves You. And a lot of them I made two of. We make a perfect pair. I color them in with my Copics. You are my cutie pie. You are the apple of my eye. And then these are all, You Knock My Socks Off is another one. So really cute and fun. And then the little bags. All I did with the bags was I have like a little container of some old die cuts I used last year. So I use those die cuts along with this arrow sticker from Hobby Lobby that I bought on clearance last year. And then inside I just have these tiny conversation hearts. So you have this one. And just a great way also of using up die cuts, and it does make this project go a lot faster because you are cutting, I made 8 of them, so I'm basically cutting 16 times because you need 2 of them to make one little bag. So, and then the paper I'm using, I believe I was looking for the paper packs. I know I have some of it left. I don't know where it went. It's really weird. It's like disappeared. I have a few sheets left of that. So that was another thing, was that I wanted to kill some old paper pads. So I'm using, instead of using my new paper, I'm using my old paper to kind of work through the old stuff. So yeah, this is just using die cuts. And then these don't fit real well in here, so I'm probably going to have to like prop them up like this, you know. So they'll be like this, and then the kids will get a little card and a little candy, and I think it's really, really cute. So that's kind of the idea that I have for the gift for my students. So really simple and easy. And then I'm going to do something for my kids. I got a little something for them. But this is a really versatile die. So this is the one that I made for Halloween. Same exact one. And then, of course, Valentine's Day. So really fun, great way to put little treats, give little treats away and everything. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Creating with a Heart.